You through a quick tutorial on how to deploy this app. So I'm at the group MMS application. I'm going to scroll down and deploy to Heroku. Go ahead and click that button there. I'm already logged into Heroku. And it's going to ask you for a couple bit of information. So there's an app name, and I'm just going to let it pick one for me. I need my API secret, token, and user ID. I have that pulled over here. So here's my user ID, goes here. Clear that out. Token goes here. And the API secret would go right here. And I'm going to leave the debug parameter set to Giphy SMS so that it logs everything to the console. We'll keep app name open, and I'm just going to go ahead and click deploy app. And right now it's going to go through and build this system for Heroku. In the meantime, I'm going to head over to dashboard.bandwidth.com, and I'm going to assume that you already have a sub account, but I'm going to set up a new location and then assign an application that this is building right here for us to point to while that's going. So first thing I need to go is under my account, configuration, location. I'm going to add a location. And then for location name, I'm going to call this something like group MMS messaging. And I'm going to leave this sequential failover. We're not going to do anything with voice today. I need to enable SMS. I need to select prod v2 messaging here. I need to enable MMS. I need to select prod 2 there, and be sure to tick that box there. Oh, yeah, and then prod v2. And then for application, we'll have to come back and edit that. Oh, sub account should be chosen. Sub account for me, I'm just going to put that under my messaging sub account and not going to touch CNAM or any of that right now. Yeah, there we go. Click submit. And now that the location is created, I can go ahead and create a phone number order. So under order, I'm going to order a new phone number. And remember, it's group MMS messaging is our location. So in here, I'm just going to search for a phone number in 828. Go ahead and pick that one. All right, any of these will do. I think this one looks fine for now. Continue. Now I'm going to select subaccount, my messaging subaccount, and the group MMS messaging is pre-selected, but just in case it wouldn't be, it's going to be in alphabetical order. There we go, group MMS messaging. Go ahead and click done. And it's going to create that telephone order. Order is complete. So now we have our location with a phone number. We need to check our application over here. Sweet, it's deployed. I'm going to click view, and it's going to tell us where to set the callback URL. So I'm just going to copy this URL here, head back to the dashboard, go to applications, and I'm going to do group MMS demo video here. And as we said, we put that callback message there and create that, and it should ask us which location to assign to. Yep, I'm going to associate a location, and select one. We know that it should be group MMS, wherever that is. Group MMS messaging. Sweet. Go ahead and click continue and continue. So now we have our location. If I go to, and there's my messaging URI, configuration, locations. And now if we look at, sorry, account, configuration, locations. Oh, there it was. Account, configuration, locations. Oh, we're here. And then I go and I look at my phone numbers and see manage. I have my phone number here. If I copy that, go open up a text message thread to that and ask at GIF crazy dog. And now if I go to look at my new one, which one's called, let's refresh here. I'm logged into my Heroku dashboard. It was Fast Mountain. Oh, there we are. So now we can see there is a GIF for a crazy dog. We can try maybe do a GIF for a crazy cat. And then in the meantime, we can go over, need to, oh, to Young Lake, this one. and go into view logs. And there we are. We can see the logs of the application searching for a crazy cat, and there's the response. It's just taking a minute to send that to me. And there you go. There's a quick video on how to set up a GIF SMS or MMS group MMS bot.